Oh, hell yeah, bro. This fucking exhaust is exhausting. I got to do a 12,000 point turn to fucking get out of the driveway. Alright, let's close the garage. Oh. Whoopity whoop whoop, I didn't mean to beep. I'm not paying no attention, I'm over here adjusting shit. Yeet, okay, we can see them. Let's get the fucking moving. Alright, we're cruising and we're cruising and we're moving. I didn't mean the fucking the beep of the beep. We're cruising and we're grooving, baby. Oh, these boots are kind of restrictive on the fucking clutch. I'm not gonna lie. It is a little bit restrictive. Just a tiny bit. They kind of don't fit underneath. Damn, I haven't ridden in like a week and a half. Oh, this feels amazing. Very reserved throttle. Very reserved. I like it. Proud of myself. I'm not going too quick. Not going too slow. Nice little moderate speed. A little 50 miles an hour on this beautiful, beautiful afternoon. What is this person doing? You're a danger to society. Like, that's more dangerous than just driving your car with that sticking out the back. I'm just gonna say it. Taco Fest! Taco! The big ass taco. But yeah, I've not been out and about riding. I've not really been making any content the last week and a half. Just all around, I don't know, there's just been stuff going on. Kind of bad, dark things. But it kind of discouraged me from riding, so I wasn't riding for a minute. But we're back, and we are riding, and we're going to AutoZone and Home Depot. We gotta get some stuff for the Speed 6. I basically got the subframe ready to drop. There is the passenger side inner control arm, or not control arm, inner tie rod. There's like a little Allen that goes inside of it to stop it from spinning, right? Because tie rods and ball joints, normally there's an Allen key to hold them from spinning so you can tighten them and loosen them. Unless you use air and impact them on, which normally I do, but there's not much room, so you can't really impact it off and on. I did as much as I could, but it's still spinning with my Ryobi impact. So the only answer here is probably shift. Oh god, shift higher. We're fucking gonna blow the fucking bike up. Jesus Christ. The only answer here is we either get an air ratchet and or try to see if we can use Eric's Milwaukee to really impact it off, but that's not really what we're gonna do. We'll probably end up just destroying it because they're like $10, and I already need to buy a few of the suspension pieces anyways to get them fixed and working properly. So on that front, I don't really care too much. I already got to do the order on Rock Auto, so we do need to order a few gaskets and things as well. So yeah, we're making progress. We're gonna go get the subframe off hopefully and get it all painted. So there will be a video on that coming out. I don't think it'll be out before this video. I'm pretty sure I'm just taking a week off at this rate. This video is being filmed on Friday, and normally my bike videos come out on Monday. I kind of ran out of content, and like I said, I kind of slowed down on riding for about a week and a half. So yeah, nothing bad happened to myself, just stuff in the family. So I'd rather just not put it on the internet for everybody to be told. At this moment at least. Maybe in the future we'll talk about it. But yeah, it's changed my perspective a little bit on riding, and at least my awareness as well while riding. and the safety thing, right? Again, you can't be prepared for everything, so that's what I'm gonna say. That's all we're gonna talk about. But yeah, it's unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate. Yeah. So hopefully you've all been doing well. I've been, I mean, personally doing as well as I can. You know, things are happening. We're making progress. We're doing stuff for work. We're doing stuff for the games. We're doing stuff around the house for, you know, just life. It's feeling good to get that stuff completed. And we're basically at this point at a standstill with how much money I'm willing to spend and put into the Speed 6. Melissa has actually considered that she will drive the ST once I finish the Speed 6, because I kind of got her out and driving in the Speed, or in the ST, and it was actually she was pretty good at it, man. She actually took my car out by herself once, which was cool to see. I was like, damn, alright, I'll let you do it, but please don't break the clutch, man. I guess at the end of the day, it's not a huge deal. We'll just drop it and put a new clutch in. I'm sure it's not too expensive to get a stock clutch from Rock Auto, but we need to get some gas here. And yeah, I don't know, man. I guess that's motivation to kind of finish it. Also, we need it for up north. It's kind of the car that we were gonna take up north. So, no, dude, I don't want to take an E85 pump or a special pump. We'll just use this pump. Fuck it. Wasn't really sure where I wanted to go. But, yeah, I don't know. We're getting close, too, to the 6-month mark of me wanting to be complete with it. Let's see how much this is. Holy, $4.50 fucking 9. I guess it's only like 20 cents more than what I paid earlier, so. Alright, let me get gas real quick. Alright, $8 for 1.747 gallons. Realistically though, I mean, we're getting decent MPG. I can probably count the amount of times I filled this bike up on my hand since I got it. We're only at 1529. My hells. Let's put this bad Jesse back into first, and then we're gonna get back up out this road, baby. I don't even know what I just said. See, but this shit's got me all sketched out. These city drivings. Gotta be extra aware of everything. There's too many variables, man. Oh hell yeah, bro. Bree. Triple double check, 1000 check. I'm still afraid that I'm gonna lose the camera, because after our last, well, I think 2 videos ago, the camera almost fell off. I didn't realize this until I had gotten home though, so it's kind of unfortunate. Yeet, we got bike parking, dog. Oh, we left the tank top popped, baby. Alright, let's go to Home Depot and get a wire wheel brush or 2. The Home Depot. Oh, we're still going. There she sits in all her glory. Does not stall. Yeet. But yeah, okay, so we got the Pour 15, we got the M3 red pad, we got the 2 little wire wheel brushes so that we can clean off the rusty areas and then do the work that is needed with the Pour 15. So let's go ahead and get home to go do that. That'll be a different video. That'll be this Friday probably, because this will come out Monday, and then that video will come out Friday. And then I'm also working on a mini bike video on getting the engine replaced. We've not done that yet. I did get it pulled off, and partially through that process we just have to end up going to Harbor Freight at this point and then saying, hey yo, can you give me the replacement, my guys? I would appreciate it. I keep having to look down to make sure my foot is free, because these boots, man, I'm used to wearing my small ass little Vans. They don't get stuck as much. Slow pull. We didn't go too fast. Ended off with a little fun ride. Sheesh! Slow down. I thought that was a cop. I got scared. My nutsack shrunk up into myself. I went, yee! Let's sit up proper. Hit the brakes real quick, buddy. I love this road. It's so nice. It's one of the nicest roads around because there's not many houses, and like you just get this view, man. Look at the sun in the sky over there. Look at the colors it's making, man. Oranges and blues and purples and my favorite time, like early morning and nighttime. Those are like the best times because everything just looks eerie. I like the fogginess of the fields, and yeah, I don't know, man. I'm definitely not meant to live in the city, so thankfully I live in a mixture, you know. We got a little suburban area type deal going on. Kind of. We're in the mix, baby. Go like 20 minutes north and it's all just rednecks, white trash, Farmville. Not really, I shouldn't be that disrespectful. This is a ballsy play, goddamn. I took that corner going fast. Not really, it was 45, but I did it one-handed. Oh god, I gotta stop being stupid. Don't purposely put myself in a bad situation, but it's all good. We're learning, we're practicing, we're getting better, we're enjoying the bike. But yeah, that'll probably just do it for this video because I'm just rambling at this point and I don't really have anything else to say and or to talk about. So thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video, which will likely be next Monday. So I'll see y'all then.